What is this?
It is a wheel.
What is this?
It is a car.
Is it the wheel of a car?
Yes, it is. It is the wheel of a car.
How many wheels does a car have?
A car has 4 wheels.
No, a car has 5 wheels.
5 wheels? Where is the 5th one?
Here it is. This is the steering wheel.
How many wheels does a bicycle have?
A bicycle has 2 wheels.
What is this?
It is a truck.
How many wheels does this truck have?
It has 18 wheels.
How many wheels does a man have?
None.
Are car wheels bigger than truck wheels?
No, they aren't. Truck wheels are bigger than car wheels.
Are car wheels smaller than truck wheels?
Yes, they are. Car wheels are smaller than truck wheels. Truck wheels are bigger than car wheels. Car wheels are smaller than truck wheels.
Is a truck bigger than a car?
Yes, of course. A truck is much bigger than a car.
Is a truck smaller than a car?
Of course not. A car is much smaller than a truck. Car, truck.
Bicycle. Vehicles. What is a motor vehicle?
It is a vehicle with an engine.
Is a bicycle a motor vehicle?
No, it isn't.
Why not?
Because it doesn't have an engine. A bicycle is a vehicle without an engine.
Are these motor vehicles?
Yes, they are.
Which one of them is the biggest?
The truck is the biggest.
Which one is the smallest?
The motorbike is the smallest.
Which one of these cars is bigger?
Mercedes is bigger than Lada.
Which one is smaller?
Lada is smaller than Mercedes.
Which one is more expensive?
Mercedes is more expensive than Lada.
Which one is cheaper?
Lada is cheaper than Mercedes.
Who makes Mercedes cars?
Germans make Mercedes cars.
How many Mercedes cars do they make a year?
They make about 2.5 million Mercedes cars a year.
What is the most expensive Mercedes model?
Mercedes Maybach S650 is the most expensive Mercedes model.
How much is it?
It costs $2,800,000.